In this video, I share the easiest side hustle yet. Stick with me till the end. You will discover the easy way to make more money online in a side hustle anyone can do right from home. It only takes minutes a day. No special skills or experience are needed. It's ideal for beginners. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. And as you can see, fall foliage is here big time. I'm all about side hustles. I haven't worked a real job in over 20 years. And side hustling is not just about the money, but the time freedom it creates too. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck slaving away at a traditional job, dreaming of something better. Well, this is something better, far better. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money with side hustles. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So if you are new to the term, a side hustle is just something you do to make more money. There are many side hustles to choose from. Finding the one that's best for you can be tough unless you know what to look for. Here's some things to be aware of. First, most side hustles take way too much time. The only way you can make more money in most side hustles is to put in more time. See, in almost all of them, there is no time leverage. That's almost like taking on another job. Who wants to do that? Remember, I side hustle not just for the money, but the time freedom too. You've got to find a side hustle that leverages your time. And that's one of the things I like best about my side hustle. Let me tell you a little about it. It might be just right for you too. It's an affiliate marketing business that can be done all over the world. It's all done online, and no, it's not one of those MLM things. There are no products to buy. You can make money without recruiting. You don't even have to talk to anyone unless you want to. When you join our team, you'll get your own copy of our exclusive automated sales system, personalized to brand and promote you. It's a complete sales funnel with everything you need. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails. You don't have to create anything. This system is how you can leverage your time and make more money. And talk about easy. It's called the Easy Money Path System for a reason. Anyone can have massive success with us, working just minutes a day, no matter what your background. You will get excellent training and my personal mentoring. Nothing will be left to chance. Many new people make money their very first day. We market a product that literally everyone wants. Seriously, everyone. It sells itself. You just let the Easy Money Path system do the work. You can get paid every week by direct deposit and earn long-term passive income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine still getting paid months from now for what you do today. I mentioned the importance of time leverage. Like I said, this side hustle can be done in just minutes a day, and since it's all done online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you, even if that's at 3 in the morning. I even do this side hustle while I'm out sailing. You could be making money while you're doing something you really enjoy too. It's easier than you think. So to learn more about the easiest side hustle yet, and to start making more money today, take our online tour at easymoneypath.com.